So students, in the last video, we have discussed about perfect square. So in case of small number, we can easily say that this number is perfect square. Okay, but in case of large number, we cannot say directly that this number is perfect square or not. Suppose you see here 4, you can easily say 4 is the perfect square, 9 is the perfect square, 25 is the perfect square. 81 also you can say that 81 is the perfect square, because 9 into 9 81 means 9 square equal 81, like that. 100 is the perfect square, so you can say because 10 square equal 100. Okay, but in case of large number, how can you say that this number is perfect square or not? That's why one example you see, check whether the following are perfect square or not. Okay, so suppose 81. How can you check? To check a number is perfect square or not, you have to find the prime factors of that number. That means prime factors of 81 equal 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You studied in class 7 also how we can find prime factors. Okay, if you getting difficult in this way, then I have done one example. Suppose this number 625 prime factors or not. 625 is a perfect square or not, I am going to check. So I have just find the prime factors in this way. Okay, we learned in class 7, you know. Okay, first you have to try to divide with the smallest prime number, that is 2. Try to divide it by 2. No, it is not divisible by 2. Then check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Here this number is not divisible by 3 also. You know the process, you studied in earlier classes. We know that this number is divisible by 5. Okay, so we get the prime factors, that is 625. We can write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so here you see 625, we get two pairs of 5. Okay, 5 into 5, here also 5 into 5, that means 2 pairs of 5, 625 we can write. That means here 2 pairs of 5 are prime factors of 625 and no other factor is left, hence 625 is a perfect square. Okay, suppose this is 120. If you find the prime factors of 120, then you can write like this, in this way, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 5. Here you see you cannot write in pairs. 120 you cannot write in pairs of prime factors. That's why 120 is not a perfect square. Okay, so in this way you can find out whether a number perfect square or not. You can easily check. Okay, I hope you understand. First, here you see this chart. Okay, this chart, square of up to 30, you remember. Okay, you remember this chart, then it will be easy in your future maths. Okay, in future it will be the maths will be easy if you remember this chart up to 30 minimum. Okay, suppose all of you know up to 10 square means 100, you know. 11 square 120 and 12 square 144. So up to 30 you should remember, then it will be easy in next maths, future maths. Okay, here you 1, this is number 1 and this is perfect square. Square of 1 means 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, like this. Square of 7 is 49. That means 49 is the perfect square or square number, and 7 is the square root of 49. 8 is the square root of 64. That means 64 is the square number and 8 is the square root of 64. Like that, 81 is the square number or perfect square, 9 is the square root of 81. 16 is the square root of 256. That means 256 is the perfect square, but 16 is the square root of 256, like this. Okay. 28 is the square root of 784. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss properties of squares. These are very important. Okay, very much important, properties of squares. So this chapter actually not so easy. That's why daily you get 2 or 3 videos daily. Okay, maximum 3. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss only properties of perfect square. Okay, so meet you again in the next class. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care.